So, hi guys. So, in this video, we will tackle about the resonance circuit, series and parallel. So, first, let's talk about the resonance. Ano sabi ng resonance? So, resonance is the phenomenon at which response of the circuit is the maximum for a particular frequency. So, in a simple explanation, we have here a resonance series circuit na siya ay composed of resistor, si L which is ang inductor or the coil, na siya C which is ang capacitor. Whereas ang mayon ganitag resonance kay iyang cancel all reactance. So meaning kaning inductor and capacitor will be neglected or i-cancel niya jud. So ang mahabilin di ay for this resonance kay ang resistor or ang reang resistance. So basically, ang atong impedance which is ang Z is equal to resistance. Okay? So first thing foremost para atong i-mind dapat kay kaning inductor kung capacitance pangitaon nato dapat, which I mean ang kaning inductor ato dyan na siyang i-take note or ato dyan na siyang i-solve in which para magamit siya in finding the inductor baron or ang capacitor. So before, ang mayngon ni tag inductor X or L XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So kanang whereas ang kaning capacitor kay XC is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. So makabantay mo anong sa may gamit ani ang XL, XC. So para mas masabtan jud siya unsa man jud nang ang inductor or ang capacitor. So nakabantay mo aning sa kilid ang graph. So for example, in a conductor natay given frequency, di ba? Kabantay mo nga XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So kana ding frequency here, mora siya given or mora ganig siya ra ang naa. So basically kung ang XL na siya given frequency, yang 2 pi ug L wala. So makabantay mo ang iyang direction is linear. So mo straight line siya, which is ang XL is directly proportional sa frequency. Di ba? So yung kuan which is linear just straight line. So kung ang frequency mo increase, ang XL mo increase. So ang XL sad mo increase, ang frequency mo increase. Whereas sa XC, kaning XC mo good, tawagan ang XC is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. Di ba? So, kabantay sad mo nga ang frequency given, or for example, tagana to sa frequency. So, iyang XC is mogamay, di ba? So kung modako ang frequency, mogamay ang XC. So basically, ang XC, pwede na to siya tawagon na XC is inversely proportional sa frequency. So meaning, ang iyang graph is like this. Maana siya. So magkagamay ang value sa X, magkadako yung frequency. Whereas kung magkagamay sa diyang frequency, magkadako yung frequency, magagamay sa diyang X. So basically mo na siya. So ang XL straight line, ang XC kay inversely proportional siya sa frequency. And also for example, assume na to nga kani baron nani siya source frequency, nani siya frequency here. So kani di ay kung ato siyang assumean, ang resonance ana niya is ang mugawas kani siya here, mugawas na niya diri here kay manang resonant frequency. Resonant frequency. So kabantay mo unsa man ang resonant frequency? Ang resonant frequency mong good kay FR, di ba? Ako na to, FR is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. Pero kabantay mo, asa man nagikan? FR equals 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. So basically, kung moingon tag resonance, XL is equal to XC, di ba? So whereas, ang XL mo na to is 2 pi FL is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. So find the frequency 2 pi times FL. So 2 pi times 2 pi times frequency, so squared na siya, niya L, C equals 1. Whereas find mo na itong FC, so frequency, so F squared is equal to 1 over 4 pi squared LC. Yeah, square root na itong frequency, square root na to, F is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. So muna siyang diri na siya gikan ng ang formula. So gi-derive na to. So guys, for better explanation para mas masabtan natin example. So for example is a series RLC circuit has the following parameter values. R is equal to 20 ohm, inductor is equal to 0.09 Henry, capacitor which is 100 microfarad. Compute the resonant frequency, quality factor of the circuit, and the bandwidth. So, Newta, save. Ayun na lang. So, mag-Newta, just ato to i-copy. Example, crop. And here. So, for this one, di ba, natay circuit. So, circuit na to. Natay source voltage. Natay series nga resistor. Natay inductor. And natay capacitor. So, basically, series naman siya. So, usa ra jud ka current ang magi. And then, ihang resistor which is 20 ohm. Ihang Henry or ihang inductance is 0.09 Henry. Ang ihang capacitor is 100 microfarad. Basically, gamay jud kay ang capacitor. So, compute the resonant frequency. So, to compute resonant frequency, FR is equal to, mato siya atong gamiton nga formula which is 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. So, FR is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root of LC niya kay L ni inductor niya kay 0.09 Henry times 100 microfarad. So yung resonant frequency kay 1 over 2 pi 0.09 times 100 times -6. So yung resonant frequency kay 1 over 2 pi square root of 0.09 times 100 to 6. So, naputol ta guys. So, ang resonant frequency na to di ay is 53.05. And then, ang atong quality factor or Q is equal to 1 over R square root of L over C. So, quality factor niya, 1 over R na to is 20 man. Square root of L, which is 0.09 over C, which is 100 microfarad. So, ang quality factor na to is equal to 1 over 20 square root of 0.09 100 times negative 6. So, atong quality factor kay 1.5. And then, bandwidth niya. So, ang bandwidth ay kay bandwidth is simple lang kayo. Ang bandwidth is equal to resistance over the inductor. So, resistance is equal to 20 ohm over with 0.09. So, 20 divided by 0.09. Na siya ay 222 ang bandwidth. 222. 222. So, infinity. And then, next example na to guys. So, next example, a series circuit consisting of 15 ohm resistor, a 0.06 Henry inductor, and with an unknown capacitor connected to 120 volts, that is 60 cycle source. Calculate the unknown capacitor, current I, and the voltage drop across the capacitor, VC for the condition of resonance. So take note, resonance. B, determine the value of C, the current I, and the voltage drop across the capacitor VC when the latter has its maximum value. So, buhat na punta sa kuan. Ay, napunta. So, kapito na to. Ito na crap. Nakabantay mo, series circuit yapon. So, circuit na siya is AC source, na siya resistor, na siya inductor, na siya capacitor. Capacitor na siya guys, pasensya eh. So voltage, na siya source, na siya 15 ohm, na siya 0.06, na niya wala siya capacitor. So mo na siya itong pangitaon. So for capacitor, abaluta ng XL, for resonance, na XL is equal to XC. So, ang XL, where ang XL na to is 2 pi FL. Whereas ang XC na to is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. So, FL substitute 2 pi FL 1/2 pi FC. So atong gipangita kasi capacitor man, so capacitor is equal to 1/4 pi squared F squared L. So substitute, capacitor is equal to 1/4 pi squared F. Frequency na to, so naman siya 60 cycle. So 60 cycle. So times na nato diri. And yung inductor is 0.06 Henry. 0.06. So yung capacitor is equal to, ito na yung calcu. So 1/4 pi squared times 60 squared times 0.06. So nigawas 117.26. Capacitor man, so microfarad. Ano to siyang capacitor. Then drop across the current I. So the current I, natay I, balutan na ang I is equal to V over Z. Pero kabantay mo ang Z sa resonance sa series circuit, di ba? Kabantay ko sa discuss ganiha, Z is equal to R. So ito siya substitute, I is equal to V over R. Ohm's law ra gyapon. So I is equal to pila ihang voltage, which is 120. So 120 divided by sa resistance niya, which is 15 ohm. 15 ohm volts. So ang I niya is equal to 120 over with 15. That will be 8 amps. So 8 amps siya. Then, and the voltage across the capacitor. So voltage across the capacitor, VC, capacitor man, is current times XC. So ang VC na to, naman current nga 8 amps. 8 amps times ang XC na to kay 1/2 pi FC man. So 1/2 pi F, which is 60, times ang capacitor niya kay 117.2 microfarad. So ang answer niya for voltage source sa capacitor is that will be 8 times 1/2 pi 60 times 117.26 times 10 - 6 is 180. 180.97 volts. Dede. XC 1/2 pi FC. So FC niya so mo to siya guys, ang voltage sa capacitor is 180.97 volts. Karon kay determine, sabihin na ta, so determine the values of the capacitor, the current and the voltage across the capacitor when the latter has its maximum value. So kaanta, so C, capacitor daw niya at its maximum value. So ito maximum. Hindi naman masaktan. Max at max equal to, so kamanta-manta nga sa capacitor kay inductor over with R squared. So maximum naman, consider na to ang resistance or ang resistor type plus yung XC, which is 2 pi times 60 times 0.06, which is ang L squared. So C at maximum is equal to 0.06. R niya is 15 ohm squared plus 2 pi 60 times 0.06 Henry. So ang capacitor niya at max is equal to 81.5 microfarad. So makabantay mo at maximum dako siya. Then the current and the voltage across. So pangitaon sa po ng current, so I is equal to V. So Z. So at maximum naman wala i-consider gyapon, consider na nato ang resistance. So square root of R squared plus XC minus XL squared. So I is equal to 120 over with square root of 15 squared plus XC na to kay XC na to kay kani 2 pi $60 times capacitor niya nga 117.26 yeah, minus pa jud sa XL which is 2 pi 60 times ang XL niya ang L 0.02 0.06 square niya na to. Pila siya sa square root. So I is equal to 6.5 amperes. Karon voltage and the voltage drop across the capacitor. So pangitawag po na to si VC. Sorry lang, VC is equal to I times XC. So VC is equal to I, which is 6.5 amps. Nga atong this atong XC times ato, so kani man mo na yung XC times 2 pi times 60 times 117.26 times 6. So yung XC kay 332.5. So yung VC equal to 6.5 amps times 32.5. So yung VC is 211 volts. So muna siya guys. So Muna to siya guys, VC is equal to 211 volts. And then for our next is that will be parallel resonance circuit. So when you say parallel resonance circuit, usar jud ang tan-aw na ni. Ay usar jud ang mabantayan which is ang parallel. Mayroon kita parallel, iyang current here, kaning current diri kay current IC is equal to current IL. So basically, kung ato siyang graph, got like this, meron siya. So, for example, diri, so a 30,000 cycle source is connected to an impedance coil having a resistance of 60 ohms, an inductance of 0.425 millihenry. For what values of resistance in series with a 0.105 microfarad capacitor will the circuit be in resonance if the two branches are parallel? Neglecting both resistance, calculate the resonance frequency. So ato na siyang copy, buta na to siya sa diri. Crop na to ni. Then ito siya, so parallel man, so bata tag na circuit source ni. So resistor, capacitor, so muna siya guys, resistor, capacitor here, resistor sa RL, coil sa inductor. So RC, capacitor, RL, inductor. So ang question kay, for what value of resistance in series with 100 is 0.105 microfarad capacitor. So first ato siyang ang kuha na to ang XL. So ang XL is equal to 2 pi FC. Kalimutan na 2 pi FL. So XL is equal to 2 pi times frequency niya which is 30,000 cycle times 0.425 millihenry. So ang XL mo is that will be 2 pi times 30 times 0.0425 millihenry. So ang answer na kay 2 pi 30,000 cycle times 0.425 times 10⁻³ So yung cycle, yung XL is daw be 80.11. Whereas ang pangitaan po na itong XC, so 1/2 pi FC. So XC niya, substitute the value, 1/2 pi times 30,000. Ang capacitor niya is 0.105 microhenry. So ang XC niya is 50.53. Sunod, circuit be in resonance of two branches are parallel. So may tao na to ang resistance, the value of resistance, for what value of resistance mo na para ma-satisfy niya ang kadong capacitor. So RC is equal to square root of XC. So muna siyang formula guys, XC over XL, RL squared plus XC XL minus XC squared. Squared na siya. So RC is equal to square root of 50.53 80.11 times R squared, which is 60 ohms, plus XC niya kay 50.53 times XL, which is 80.11 minus XC niya is 50.53 squared. So ang RC niya guys is based on calculation kay 61.02 ohm. Para masatisfied niya, dapat kailangan siya resistance nga 61.02 ohm para masatisfy niya, which is parallel man. Resonance if two branches are parallel. So RC is equal to 61.02. Yeah, neglecting both resistances, calculate the resonant frequency. So gamiton gyapon ta natong resonant frequency, which is FR is equal to 1/2 pi square root LC. So FR is equal to 1/2 pi square root ni 0.45425 millihenry times sa capacitor, which is 0.105 microfarad. So microfarad na siya. So ang FR niya guys, that would be 23,900 cycle per second. So mo yung tag FR frequency man, so 23,900 cycle per second. So muna siyang yung frequency. So muna siya guys. So ang atong last nga example for resonance parallel circuit, a parallel circuit consisting of RL, which is 10, RC, which is 10 ohm. RL is equal to 10 ohm, RC is equal to 20 ohm, XC is 40, voltage or the source voltage is 120, 60 cycle per second, or 60 cycle source. For the resonance, calculate the two values of L. So itaon na itong value sa L. Copy na to. Ito na to sa paint. So for resonance daw, abat yung pantag parallel nga circuit. Oops. Uy. So, abat yung pantag circuit na source, na resistor, na capacitor, na resistor sa inductor. Source, maning sa RC, capacitor, then RL, inductor. So, for this one, for resonance guys, sa parallel or resonance, basta parallel kay same na din sila. So, IC, ano siya, IC is equal to IE na siya. IIL. So for resonance, makaingon ta na kung ano nga diri, which is ingon na to nga WC is equal to WL. So tanan diri, ang tanan diri is equal. So sa WC, buta na to na XC. So kani siya nga XC over pila yung voltage. So RC squared plus XC squared is equal to XL over with RL squared plus XL squared. So abantay mo, ang pangitaon na to kay ang XL squared kay for resonance calculate the two values of L mo daw. So XL squared, so ato siya combine like terms na to, ato siya cross multiply. So XC RL squared plus XL squared XL so since nanam tayo value sa day ato na substitute, so XC which is 40 RC squared which is 20 squared plus XC squared which is 40 squared is equal to XL naman. So XL, makita ano itong XL over with RL squared. So RL na to is 10 man. Ano ni 10? So 10 squared plus XL squared. So 40 XL naman siya. So 40 divided by 20 squared plus 40 squared. So 1 over 50. 1 over 50 is equal to XL over with 100 plus XL squared. Then cross multiply 100 plus XL squared is equal to 50 XL. Then equate as 0, so XL squared minus 50 XL plus 100 is equal to 0. So nakabantay mo kani siyang XL squared minus 50 minus 50 XL plus 100 equal to 0. Quadratic ni. So quadratic function. Quadratic function. So kung may quadratic function na given ingan ni, so ang gamiton natin formula is quadratic formula. So applying quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Para ma-find na to ang value sa XL since two values of XL man. So applying quadratic formula. So XL squared, so A na to. Quadratic formula yan kay, so punta na to XL is equal to negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Where ang atong A is equal to 1 man diri, B na to is equal to negative 50, ang C na to is equal to 100. And substitute na to, XL, negative 50 man siya, plus minus square root of negative 50 squared plus minus 4 times 1 times 100 over 2 times 1. So ang XL na to guys kay positive man siya 350 plus minus square root ni 2,500 50 times 50 times 2,500 minus 400 over 2. So atong XL dra guys is equal to kay duha ka variable man siya, so 50 plus square root sa 2,500 minus 400, so 10 square root of 21 over 2. So ito siyang bungkagon XL 50 minus 10 square root of 21 over 2. So yung XL kay 2 point, ang isa niya 2.09, whereas ang ihang katong pikas katong 50 minus, so 50 minus 10 square root of 21 over 2 kay ang pikas niya kay kung 50 day 50 plus 10 square root of 21 over 2 kay 47 niya. Kung minus niya kung plus kay 47.91. So muna yung mga value sa XL 0.09 o 47.91. That's it guys. So for to calculate the two values of inductor, so muna siya 2.09 Henry, 47.9 Henry. That's it guys. So thank you.